What's up, what's up, what's up? Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this chrome / snakeskin look. I'm so excited to film this video for you guys. I feel like this is pretty out there from what I usually do, so I'm excited to have a video on it. And now I'm obsessed with snakeskin nail designs, so hi. You'll probably see more of these from me. The colors we're using are from Pampered Pretties. These are from their new sub bag. And these colors are Siren's Call, Pixie, and Shimmer Reef. They are so beautiful and they were so easy to work with. These launch the 16th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So don't miss out on your chance to get these. They are limited edition because they are sub bags. So if you want to get your hands on these, you better go fast. I'm also going to be using the color Marshmallow, which is what I'm putting on my pinky right now. This is just going to be the base for our chrome color. So exciting. Lots of new things coming to Pampered Pretties. So be sure to check out their page. On the 16th, they will be releasing all of these products. That being said, I'm going to let you guys watch through while I do the dip process, and then I will be back for the filing. So enjoy, and look at this freaking foil. So beautiful. Okay, I had to come back to talk about this glitter. I mean, seriously. This is one of the prettiest glitters I think I've ever freaking seen. It's glitter and foil, and it's so beautiful. I think it really ties the look together, and just look at it. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed. Also, I forgot to mention, but the pink foil glows. So that's fun. I didn't get a picture of it though, but it does glow. So keep that in mind. Lots of good stuff. I'll show you a close-up in a second, and then I'm gonna dip it in my Sun and Moon Crystal Clear. And then once we're done with that, we're gonna go in with activating and filing. And I'll see you then. Alright, funny story. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have a cut on my pointer finger, so I'm going to be putting a band-aid on it for the filing section of this video. But I literally, before I did these nails, I had my builder gel on, and I was moving my hand, and my right thumb cut my pointer finger because it was so sharp. I was like, what? And it cut it pretty good, like it's pretty deep. So I'm putting a band-aid on so I don't hurt it anymore. But yeah, I just had to tell you guys that, especially because I'm wearing a band-aid. Anyways, there's lots of real-time filing in this video, so enjoy and sit back and relax. I'm gonna go, and I will see you guys when I'm ready for the chrome and snakeskin design. Okay, I'll see you then. I'm going to explain my top coat process prior to me putting it on because it's kind of a short clip. So I'm going to put on base and top coat on my first 4 nails, and then I'm going to leave just base on my pinky and cure that for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to do the top coat process on camera for my pinky so you guys can see what I'm doing. So here I'm going to apply my top coat, and this is going to cure for 5 seconds, let the light turn off, and then I'm going to turn it back on for 5 seconds, but 5 seconds in my head, not on the lamp. And then I'm going to dip my finger in there and rub it on there, and this chromes so beautifully. I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds, brush it off, and then we are ready to go in with our nail design. This is what we're doing. I'm using the Emily Blossom Clear. This is blooming gel. They call it Blossom Clear. I'm going to do a layer of that, not cure it. And then we're going to go in with our gel color, and this is just a gel that I got off of Amazon in a little collection. It's MEFA in the color 57. And all we're going to do is just place little lines from the brush onto our nail, and this Blossom gel is going to do all the work for us. It's so cool, it's so easy, and I don't know why it took me so long to try it. It's so pretty and cool and fun. I want to do these like all the time. And also chrome. I love chrome now. This is really cool. I'm literally giddy about these nails because I feel like I don't usually venture out that much. I like to keep safe in my little dip powder world, but the gel is, it's getting to me. I'm starting to venture my way into gel. It's so fun. Sometimes it takes really long though to make a design. Oh my gosh. My next video is another gel dip powder design, and I'm really excited about it. I'm excited about all these gel things. All right, I'm done being crazy. I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds as soon as I'm done here, and then we're going to top coat it, and that will be the end. I'm gonna use some Blue Cross cuticle remover though to remove some of that chrome and gel off my finger right there. So again, cure for 90 seconds or 60 seconds. And again, top coat for 60 seconds. Alright, here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already. And if you want to know when I post, hit that notification bell too, so you never miss a video. I have 2 more coming up after this one, so don't miss out. Okay, see you later. Bye.